You walk in shadows, but he's already there. Every whisper, secret hanging in the air. He smells like he knows every move you'll make. One wrong step and it's a path you can't escape. You think you're choosing, but it's 2 steps ahead. Every word you say already lives in his head. He hums a melody, soft and low, and suddenly you're dancing to Romeo. Don't cross the line, don't test the game. He builds you up just to stake his claim. But when the world turns cold and slow, he's the only hand you'll ever know. Romeo, Romeo, he pulls the strings below. He can ruin your life with a single note he throws. Romeo, Romeo, yeah, everybody knows you don't ever betray him. That's just how it goes. Romeo, Romeo, got your highs and lows. He's the king of deception in the quiet shadows. Romeo, Romeo, don't let him go, 'cause after all, he's your best friend though. He writes your story like a symphony. Every rise and fall in perfect harmony. A master of lies dressed up in gold. Truth bends easy when he takes control. You see the cracks, but you look away, 'cause he's the sun in your darkest day. And even when you feel the fear, you'd rather have him always near. He knows your past, he owns your pain, turns your losses into escape. But when you're lost out in the cold, he's the only one who takes you home. Romeo, Romeo, he pulled the strings below. He can ruin your life with a single note of rose. Romeo, Romeo, yeah, everybody knows you don't ever betray him. That's just how it goes. Romeo, Romeo, got your highs and lows. He's the king of deception in the quiet shadows. Romeo, Romeo, don't let him go, 'cause after all, he's your best friend though. Is it love or is it control? Do you follow him or lose your soul? But silence screams what you want to say. You choose him anyway. The rhythm in your veins, the echo in your brain, the puppeteer behind your name. Romeo, Romeo, and you're still calling friend. Romeo, Romeo, in the highs and lows, he's the master of music, the one who composed. Romeo runs the whole show, but after all, he's your best friend though.